equation we have to integrate the function x cos inverse x divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Let's begin with the solution. So we have to evaluate the integral x into cos inverse x divided by square root of 1 minus x square with respect to x. Now we know ILATE, that is, if we find the integral of the product of two functions, the first function is the inverse trigonometric function, that is cos inverse x is the first function. So this can be written as the first function into the integral of the second function, which is x divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx minus integral of the derivative of the first function, that is cos inverse x, into the integral of the second function and this with respect to x. So this can further be written as cos inverse x into, let us denote this integral by I, minus integral of derivative of cos inverse x with respect to x is minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square into the integral I and this with respect to x. Now first let us evaluate the integral I. So I is equal to integral x divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. First let us suppose that 1 minus x square is equal to t. So on differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get minus 2x into dx is equal to dt. So this can be written as integral of minus dt divided by 2 into square root of t, that is integral of minus dt divided by 2 into t raised to the power minus half. So this can further be written as minus half integral of t raised to the power minus half into dt, which can be written as minus half t raised to the power half divided by half plus the constant c1. So we have minus square root of, in place of t we write 1 minus x square plus the constant c1. So substituting the value of this integral here, we have cos inverse x into minus square root of 1 minus x square plus the constant c1 minus, and minus is plus, so we have integral 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square into minus square root of 1 minus x square plus the constant c1, and this we have to integrate with respect to x. Therefore this can further be written as minus square root of 1 minus x square into cos inverse x. Then we have here, taking minus sign outside, we have integral of 1 into dx plus the constant c2, which can further be written as minus integral 1 minus x square into cos inverse x. From here we get minus x, since the integral of 1 with respect to x is x, plus the constant c, where c is the sum of the constants c2 and the constant obtained on integrating 1 with respect to x, and this is equal to minus square root of 1 minus x square into cos inverse x plus the constant. Therefore integral of x into cos inverse x divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx is equal to minus square root of 1 minus x square into cos inverse x plus the constant. This completes the solution.